today we are here with Keith, and we are in this Mark II 2JZ. So let's ask him a couple of questions about why, for example, you decided to do the 2JZ engine.
Why 2JZ? Because of its reputation. One thing, and also its significant power gains by just adding a few watts.
And any future project for the car?
Yeah, this is just the beginning because we still have ethanol fuel system to do, as well as a big single turbo.
Alright. So now guys, let's see what this car can do. Still stock, so let's see the power.